Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil M. Kulkarni, Product Marketing Engineer at Broadcom. VMware Telco Cloud Platform enables communication service providers or CSPs to orchestrate the end-to-end network operations through Workflow Hub. Workflow Hub is a low-code umbrella orchestrator that provides built-in workflows to automate the lifecycle management of the VMware Telco Cloud Platform, including virtual infrastructure, CAS infrastructure, and network functions, and supports custom workflows to orchestrate the tasks of other network management tools through REST APIs or third-party automation tools. Workflow Hub workflows follow the serverless workflow specification and relies on open API standards. So to orchestrate different network elements, you would compose serverless workflows. But most of the CSPs would already have existing automation scripts for different network operations. The network admins and application engineers might also prefer scripting in Python or Bash instead of serverless workflows. To cater to such scenarios, Broadcom supports invoking Python and Bash scripts as part of the workflows in Workflow Hub. In this demonstration, we will consider a use case to add subscribers to Open5GS MongoDB database by invoking a Python script. To do that, let us log into VMware Telco Cloud Automation GUI, navigate to Workflow Objects under Workflow Hub section, and click Create Object. Select the object type to be script and select Enter Code. Furnish a name, file name, and paste the Python code. In the metadata section, select the language as Python and category as Open5GS. In the execution details, enter the timeout and input schema, and then click Create. Once the workflow object is created, navigate to Workflow Management under Workflow Hub section. Click on the Workflows tab and click New Workflow. Provide a name to the workflow. Toggle the button to Code and paste the workflow. This workflow would contain a basic intro block and a function block with type set to custom and operation set to the script that we just created, and a state referencing the function defined above. Then click Save. Click on the ellipsis and click Run. Since this script does not require any input, click Next and click Run. Expand the workflow run and confirm that the workflow has run successfully. With this exercise, we have walked through the process of invoking custom scripts as part of the workflows in Workflow Hub. Through this capability of integrating with custom scripts, Workflow Hub, one of the key features of VMware Telco Cloud Platform, simplifies the end-to-end network operations using widely familiar scripting languages. This enables CSPs to operate the network with an unified orchestration platform, accelerate the time to market for services, and reduce the overall TCO for the network. Hope you enjoyed the demo. Thank you.